Yeah, I was investing, but I'm not a regular investor. I just invest now and then. Like doing research and picking the right stock and when to invest is again a question, but doing that analysis along with my working career, right? So I could not do it. So due to the restriction of time, I could not do it. But after joining SIHO, I just like I become a regular investors in direct stocks, and I know like what it is doing, like whatever stocks I invest, and I know like what it is and why I invested in it. Like Nitin pitched in, and I felt like this is right time for me to enter, because since it was the starting of my financial journey, so that is the point. I felt learning and investing makes more sense than just blindly investing. It can be an interaction, right? One-on-one interactions that we had, which it is like in a simple layman terms, but it was like explaining what it is needed for investment, like the discipline, or what, like how we can excel with the help of just a discipline investment, right? Because so that is something I felt great. I'm not investing more, even 10 minutes weekly, right? Beginning of the financial career, I would surely recommend.